Welcome. In today's video, we'll walk you through the steps to delete your reviews on Facebook using your PC after the latest update. Whether you're cleaning up old reviews or removing something you no longer want visible, this quick guide will make the process easy and straightforward. Let's get started. First, open Facebook on your browser by going to facebook.com. Log into your account if you haven't already. Once logged in, head to the top right corner of the screen where you'll see your profile photo. Click on it to open the drop-down menu. Next, select Settings and Privacy from the options provided. Within this section, click on Activity Log. This is where Facebook organizes all your activity, including posts, likes, and reviews. Once inside the activity log, look for the section labeled Your Facebook Activity. Under this category, click on Posts to narrow down your options. From here, locate Reviews. This is where all the reviews you've written are stored. Now, select the review you want to delete. You'll notice a delete option next to each review. Click on Delete, and a confirmation prompt will appear asking if you're sure about removing the review. Confirm the action by clicking Delete again, and that's it. Your selected review will be removed from Facebook permanently. Repeat these steps for any other reviews you wish to delete. Thank you for watching. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks. See you in the next video.